If you are using Outlook email, then what happens is that it is using Outlook Stories. And what you can do is from Microsoft Outlook, you can see how much storage space is left and even have access to storage settings. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto View and then go to View Settings right here. Once you do that, over here under the Account section, you can see that Storage is an option over here. So once you go around onto storage, you can see that it is loading the storage details over here. So you can see that you can go around and then take storage detail for Outlook email right here. But for certain accounts like Gmail account, it is not supported, as you can see. It only supports out the Microsoft related account right here. So once you go around and select this, you can see that 10% of my storage is used right now. And you can see that this is the Outlook attachment right here, while OneDrive uses many of my storage space right here, as you can see. You can also have access to freeing up of space right here, like Outlook attachments and so forth. Then you get to the relevant web base of storage. And you also have access to Microsoft Storage right here. And that is how you can access storage details inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.